Today I just finished welding the back of the seat along here. It was all broken and it used to wobble a lot just along there, so it's ready to be taken to get it reupholstery. Look how messy it is. So we'll see it now and we'll see it when it comes back. Oh my god. Oh well, it's all done now anyway. Nice and solid, you know. There you are. I just finished today. Oh, the tools I have to pick up again. Look at it. Oh well. Okay, over and out. I hope he's going to replace some of the broken springs. It's got a couple of broken springs in it. Ugh. Bloody hell. 40 years old.